Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the calculator app and entering the base number. This is the value you want to find a percentage of. Next, press the multiplication sign times. This tells the calculator you will scale the base. Then type the percentage number, like 15. At this point, you haven't converted the percent yet. Make sure to pause, because the next step changes 15 to a usable form. Once done, move to converting percent to decimal so the phone computes correctly. Now convert the percent into a decimal by dividing by 100. For example, 15% becomes 0. 15, this is essential because calculators multiply with decimals. Replace the percent input with that decimal, so the expression becomes 250 times 0. 15, and then press equals. The calculator returns the exact portion of the base number. If you need to use that value again, store it in memory with M+ or copy it. Once you understand decimal conversion, repeated calculations become quick and reliable. Finish by reviewing results and applying them. If you need 10% of 200, change the base and reuse 0. 10, then multiply. For reverse calculations, divide the part by the base and multiply by 100 to find the percentage. That explains why decimal conversion matters. If numbers look wrong, check for common mistakes: extra zeros, misplaced decimal, or accidentally tapping percent instead of entering decimal. If the app shows percent buttons, make sure you understand whether it auto-divides by 100 before multiplying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.